In today's video, we're going to be talking about web design freelance tools coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mac, and in today's video we are going to be talking about web design freelance tools. Now these tools are really important if you're just getting up and running. So the first thing you want to talk about is the page builder. So it's important that you choose a page builder and master it, because the faster you are and the better you are with the ins and out of the page builder, it's going to make it easy for you to design websites for your clients. So there are several page builders to choose from, but the one I recommend is Divi because it has great features, and also the theme builder is amazing and easy to use. So let's move on to the next item. But before I do that, all the tools that I'll be talking about, they're also going to be included in the video description below. And a lot of these have bonuses. Like for example, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, you also get access to the Web Design Formula course, a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. And this is ideal because you're going to pick up a lot of tips on how to use Divi and how to design professional looking websites. All you have to do is when you buy Divi, just send me a receipt to funnelstoincome.com. On the bottom right, you're going to see a chat box, and that's where you can just click on that and send me the receipt number, or even attach the receipt itself. All right, so that's the page builder. Now, when it comes to Divi, it has a lot of features, which means you're going to take a bit of time to learn how you can use it. But the most important part of choosing a great page builder like Divi is the integrations. And this is where it's going to take me to the next part, which is how to use Divi with a great hosting. So when it comes to hosting, Divi has great partnerships out there with Pressable, SiteGround, and the other one is Flywheel. Okay, Flywheel. So out of those three, for freelancers, I think Flywheel is the best because you can create your accounts within the hosting account, and you know it has a very clean dashboard, and also I have a link to that in the video description below. So Flywheel is fantastic for freelancers because it just makes it easy to set up things and to also create backups. Now, backups are important. When I was doing freelancing, one of the most annoying thing was to repair a damaged site. So with Flywheel, you can do backups right away, or if you don't decide to do that, it also has automatic backups. So and these are done every day, which is brilliant. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about the type of websites you need to build. So if you're going to be building those 5-page type website, home, about us, services, to be honest, those type of websites do not help your customers because they're just websites and they don't do much. And good luck if you're trying to rank those websites using SEO, because there's a lot of factors that go into SEO. So those websites pretty much are useless. So what you need to do is to create websites that bring results for your clients. For example, you can build membership websites, which brings me to the type of software you want to use for membership. So the one I recommend is Wishlist Member. It has a ton of integrations, and also it is just packed with a lot of tools and a lot of features that you can use to make membership websites. In fact, I use it on my own website, funnelstoincome.com, and it does a fantastic job. Okay, so moving on, one of the other things that you may want to focus on as well is lead generation. And again, these are the type of websites you need to show results to your clients. And lead generation is very easy to get started with. All you have to do is to look for an email autoresponder, which is really good. Now, I use ConvertKit, but there are others out there like Constant Contact, MailPoet, and MailChimp, and so on. But ConvertKit is very easy to use, and you can also use it for advanced features. So that's the one I would use. So if you're setting up websites for your clients, just having that whole system built for them is a really good way of really getting quality customers, because you can actually show results based on the type of websites you are creating and your campaigns that you're running with them. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about SEO. Now, when it comes to SEO, the traditional SEO is very difficult to achieve nowadays because, I mean, there's so many websites on the internet, and trying to rank for these keywords is it's not going to be easy. So what I would highly recommend is to try and do videos. So videos make it very easy to rank because not a lot of people have the confidence to create videos. So if you were to go into the SEO of video, that is a better way to tackle SEO, because some of the videos that you create can be found in search. And I've seen this with my own website. my own website does not even rank with SEO, but it's the videos that I do on YouTube that then link to people to my website. So video is very, very important. Now, I know some of you may feel like, you know what, I don't want to be on camera. I'm shy. I'm not confident. Well, there's a service called InVideo. In fact, I'll leave the link in the video description below. They have templates and you can use royalty-free videos, and you can easily create videos and add a voiceover to it. In fact, very soon I'm going to be doing tutorials on how to create videos without you being on camera. So this is a service which, in my opinion, is very, very good, and it's ideal for those that prefer not to be on camera. So this is how I would approach SEO, because even if you hire these high-end agencies, it's going to be very, very difficult to get these keywords to rank. Yeah, so it'll be very difficult to get these keywords to rank. Okay, so pretty much these are the things that you need to have in place in order for you to become really good in freelancing, and these are the tools that definitely you need in your bag. Now, here's the thing. You also need to continue learning how to use these tools, because they are, packed with a ton of features, updates, and so on. So you need to keep on top of it. So I would highly recommend that you keep on learning, keep on using these tools and improve. This will also give you inspiration to come up with even other ideas to use them creatively. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.